So if your shower head is slow and literally dripping, I have a solution for you that will make it fast and come with a lot more force. So let's get started. So let's now remove this, and then inside here you can see there is a washer that we need to remove, and it reveals this blue water flow reduction device. So take like a cloth on the bottom and take like any type of screwdriver and a hammer, and we're going to break this. So basically take your screwdriver in there, and then take your hammer and then hammer it down like 2-3 times gently, not to like do too much force. And as you can see, it broke it. Now like use your screwdriver and break it into smaller pieces so that it will come out easily. And then now just tap it on the ground and try to remove all the pieces. If like something gets stuck inside, you don't need to worry about it because it won't damage you or the shower head. So see, I got all the pieces out. It's nice and clean. Put the washer back in there and then assemble it. Just like this. And then now let's start it, and wow, look at that force. It is superb. It is so better, like very awesome. As you can see, this was before very slow, and now after it's like a waterfall. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.